Hi everyone, welcome to Nana's Tiny Kitchen. Today I have a post-Thanksgiving I'm sick of turkey video, and I also have a special guest with me. Come on over, young lady. This is my gorgeous granddaughter Emily, and she's going to help me with this awesome but old creation. Little backstory. My brother and I, when we were kids, my mom worked, so we used to always have to come up with these little concoctions and things to eat. And one of our favorites was the English Muffin Pizza. Now it's Sunday, so normally I'm stretching dough making pizza, but today I decided, because the supermarket had the English muffins on sale, I said, okay, why don't I just get a bunch of English muffins? Can't be buy one get two free, really? So I bought, and I have all my toppings prepared, and we're gonna go through that. Okay, let's get started. English muffin pizzas. All right. We have our sauce. We have our meatballs. We have sausage, pepperoni. We have black olives. We have homemade pesto mixed with ricotta and spinach for a white pizza. We also have chopped jalapeno. Okay. Now, of course, when I was a kid and we made these, we never did like this. I mean, we just basically did the sauce and the mozzarella and stuff. But when do you know me to do anything small? Okay. And we have the mozzarella. We can't forget that. Mozzarella cheese. Now, let me put my glasses on because I can't see anything. Emily, where should we start? What do you want? Which ones do you want to make first? Your choice. Now my oven is heating at 375 degrees. I have it closer to the bottom because I want the bottoms to get a little bit toasty. So we're going to start building our pizzas. Hey, I love to make a good pizza by hand. Stretch the dough, do the whole 9 yards with the pizza stone. But there's something about the English muffin pizza that just can't beat it. Right, Em? Don't be so chatty. Stop talking.
I'm not talking.
You just did. Make sure to see people are looking at the back of your head. So you have to turn around so they can see you.
No, I'll just do this. Hello.
Okay. Now look how many we have here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So
8. And
I will do the sauce, and you will choose the toppings that you want to put on there, and then we'll do the cheese. Okay. We'll do sauce on this one. Okay, you could start building. Some pepperoni. Now this is so much fun to do with the kids. It's such an inexpensive, fun meal. Get creative, have fun. Right? We're going to do these. Should we do these all with sauce? Do you like black olives?
no, I'm just making these pizza balls for
Why, thank you, my darling. Okay, we don't want to go too heavy on the sauce because they're small.
you.
Right?
They might like collapse inside and like
They'll-
break all the.
They'll fall apart. Turn around, nobody can see you, Emily. Wave to everyone, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Now, keep going. I think I want to do some,
Eyeballs.
we'll do a little bit of sausage.
A nose.
I want to do a meat lovers one. So I'm going to do some sausage, a couple of pieces of meatball.
And a smile.
Oh my God, this one is going to be hard to eat.
Look at this. It's like
A smiley face you made? Silly. And don't forget the cheese.
I'm gonna put the peoples on.
I'm going to do the cheese on the top, if I could get it to stay.
Look. It's like Mickey Mouse. It's like Mickey Mouse going hop
It
hop.
looks like Mickey Mouse.
Looks like Mickey
Alright, let's
Mouse
do
going
some cheese on there.
Woo! Mickey Mouse
Well,
face.
I'm sorry, but how come the meatballs are on one side? Oh, there's pepperoni on there. What about sausage? You want sausage on there too?
We're gonna put
Here,
one.
let's take that off because those are for something different. The jalapenos are for a special one. So we're gonna do this.
I'm putting a bunch of
Do you like black olives? You just said you didn't like black olives.
This one's for you. Big generous black olive.
No. I need them for the other ones. Silly. Okay, where are we at with these? All right, let's continue with the meat. We'll do meat lovers ones. We got some sausage. I like to put the toppings underneath for some reason. I don't know. I always do that. Sausage on all of them. And then some meatballs on some. Now you can definitely get as creative as standing up.
That's what I wanted to do.
Which one are you gonna eat?
Probably the one with the most pepperoni on it.
What'd you put? 50 pieces of pepperoni on one? I'm shocked, I tell you. Okay, let's get some cheese on these. Wait, there's hardly anything on this one. I'm gonna make sure.
One step.
We want to be generous. We want to be cheap.
One step for man. One giant step for pizza making.
Yep. There is no, you can't do this wrong. You really can't. You just have to have a good time, right? Let's pile that mozzarella on top. Woohoo! Let it snow.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow.
Okay, don't do that.
Let it snow, let it snow.
Uh-huh.
Let it snow,
Are you losing your mind? I think
Yeah.
you're crazy. Hey, how come I'm the only one that's doing this? All right, we got all the cheese on. Look how much cheese I'm wasting here. And you got a piece of pepperoni sticking straight up.
One step for man, one giant step for English
Muffin pizzas.
pizza.
Wow, that one's like a tower. That one's gonna be hard to eat. Okay, let me rinse my hands off because I'm gonna
You knocked
a
me.
little.
You're gonna knock me.
All right, here's where we. This is the Italian comes out of me when I do this. A little bit olive oil drizzled like this, just like that. And we're gonna put these in the oven and make the other ones. Oops. What do you think I got all those toppings over there for? No dancing. Oops. You can hear the music in the background?
Yeah.
You know, Grandma's gonna see this.
Really?
Yep. I'm gonna send you the video.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, you get embarrassed. See a little bit of garlic. A little bit of garlic. And should I put some hot pepper flakes on some? Yes. Ooh, baby.
Look at me. Look at me.
A little bit of oregano. Oh my goodness.
I made funny faces at the camera.
I'm shocked. You know you're going to see that yourself in the video and you're going to go, why am I acting so silly?
No, I'm gonna
Because
be
you
like,
cannot help yourself, my dear. Okay. Let's get the first batch in the oven. We'll set it for about, I don't know, Emily, what do you think? About 15 minutes?
25 million!
And it'll be like crispy and tiny. Okay,
When
let's build the next ones.
When you opened the oven, I heard that thing go, oh, while you opened up the oven.
I thought these are supposed to come apart easy.
They are.
What happened to the nooks and crannies?
You're supposed to break them apart, Purple!
I got it.
They
All right, these are going to be different. Watch this. Come over. They can't see you. You got to remember to be on. Okay, this is the one with the pesto and the ricotta. Awful. Disgusting. Oh my God, that smells so good. I did a homemade straight up pesto with basil and garlic and salt and pine nuts.
much.
No, I
Is
was
that
in-
too much?
No.
And now I'm going to put cheese on top.
I was in my classroom one day, and Miss Ennis said that she's gonna pick somebody to do the dance to a song, and she picked me, and I just spammed out everything I know, like the. It's true story. True story. Very true. She's like, Emily's gonna lead us.
Now I get it. Now I'm getting to understand what Daddy was saying about your parent-teacher conference thing.
What?
Miss Talkie Talkie. All right, now I'm going to put the cheese on top of these.
I'm not Miss Talkie Talkie. We do that every morning.
I'm going to put the cheese on top of these.
Fuck.
And the last ones I'm going to do are the Grandpa Jeff's special request. He wanted sausage and jalapeno. Right? Oh my goodness, they're going to be so good. I might have to cut more mozzarella, Emily. Although half of it is going all over the place. And I need to open that other package. So, hold on a second. I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, now these have been in the oven for probably about 12, 13 minutes. I'm going to give it another couple of minutes. But in the meantime, I made the ones that have the pesto and the mozzarella. And these are sausage, fresh ground sausage that I just browned up. And some jalapenos chopped up. And black olives, mozzarella. And I just, I drizzled the olive oil and stuff. I mean, when you do these with your kids, be creative. Take out the kitchen sink and throw it on the pizza. That's what makes them awesome. Okay, Emily, let's see where these are at. Shall we? You're scared.
You're opening the oven right here. Ooh.
Well, you could be me and your glasses fog up and then you can't see what you're looking at. Oh, look at that. There were a second ago. Okay, I think these are going to go in. There was 2 more minutes on here, so I think I'm going to put them back in for a couple of more minutes to make sure that that cheese is all melted. In the meantime, let's see. I reduced our station down to, we still have pepperoni, we have plenty of meatballs here, and I actually had to chop up more mozzarella because I do have some more sauce. And here is the combination of the jalapeno and the black olives, and I still have some sauce left over. So we're just going to keep going. We're just going to keep making more, right? Till they're done. When these come out, these are going back in, and then Emily and I are going to do a pizza toast.
Cheers.
Okay, everyone. Look at our beautiful creation over here. Let me turn this light so maybe you guys can see them better. Look at how gorgeous these came out. Now, like I said, get your kids in the kitchen and make some English muffin pizzas. They're awesome. So, Emily,
What?
let's try.
I'm scared. It's gonna be hot.
No, yours is not hot. Yours was the first tray that came out. Mine, on the other hand, is going to burn the roof of my mouth off, and it wouldn't be pizza if it didn't. Ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. That's awesome. What do you think, Em?
I love it.
You love it? You want to take some home to Mommy and Daddy? No.
You guys should definitely try this at home.
Okay. So everyone, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you have a great holiday. It's about that time of year. Get in the kitchen with your kids. Make some English muffin pizzas. Throw anything you want on there. Let them be creative with it. That's what makes it so awesome. That's what gets them in the kitchen, is being able to give them the choice of, hey, what would you like on yours? Till next time, everyone. Enjoy. Ciao, mangia.